Hey plant lover, how you doing? Hope everything is going well and your gardening skills have been serving you perfectly. I'm sure you too have some favorite plants, trees which you grow every year during a suitable season, of course. Well, one of such trees is Java Plum, aka Jamun for me. For those who are not aware of this tree, here are some pointers for you to get interested in growing it. The sweet and sour fruit of Java Plum has proven benefits, improves hemoglobin count, has astringent property which keeps your skin acne free, improves health of skin and eyes, keeps your heart healthy, strengthens your gums and teeth, prevents infection and treats diabetes. In this video we plan to cover everything from preferred growing medium, it should be soil or water, how to make seeds ready for germination, sunlight exposure, repotting, watering schedule. So please make sure you stay with me for the entire length of this video because it would be an amazing experience. I can assure you that. And you can replicate all these techniques on any other similar kind of trees or plants. And as we begin, please hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Step 1. Make the seeds for water as the growing medium. After you have eaten the fruit, wash the seeds well to remove all the pulp and then put them in a dry and airy space for 3 days. Now peel off the outer protective cover to reveal a greenish seed. If you see the inner part of the seed has turned brown black, basically discolored, simply discard it as it won't germinate. Step 2. Water as the growing medium. Now these seeds are quite delicate and would simply break into pieces, so handle them carefully while piercing them with the toothpicks. Attack the edges. If you try and insert the toothpicks in the middle of the seed, you will disintegrate. Step 3 and 4. The soil and the soil as the growing medium. Any tree would grow well in a soil that has at least 30% sand content, where the rest of the soil is your regular garden soil. Now, as soil is the medium, you should not remove the protective layer from the seed like in case of water germination, because if you do, the seed would rot and it would not germinate. Step 5. Where to place your germination station. The seeds in water medium should be placed indoors in an area which gets indirect sunlight, probably a windowsill. The seeds in the soil medium should be kept outdoors in a shaded area. Step 6. Growth rate. The growth pattern is something fascinating here. I want you to pay attention. This is after 2 weeks. Roots in water will grow faster and shoot is growing faster in the soil. Though I can guarantee that the tree would grow at the same pace when you transplant it in the soil finally. Use water as the medium if you cannot, let's say, find a shaded spot in your house, or you want a faster growth rate. And when you start the seed in water, it gives you that extra bit of confidence because you see the development of roots and shoots from naked eyes. Step 7. Growth pattern elaborated. As you see here, the roots have been growing faster than the shoots in water, and it's completely opposite in the soil. But as I mentioned earlier, if you start the seeds in water, it's easier and requires less work. So take your pick and go ahead with it. Step 8. 1 month update. Step 9. 1 month and a week update. Step 10. Transplanting the young trees which were started in soil. It's quite critical how you transplant a young sapling. My strict advice, please follow the method you see here. Given roots are quite young, so the best thing you can do is not disturb them in any way. All you got to do is what you see here. Please watch on. Step 11. Transplanting the young trees which were started in water. Get the pots ready by adding a mix of sand and garden soil and gently put all the seedlings in individual pots. Water the pots immediately so that no air cavity is left. Always remember, transplanting is too critical to be taken lightly. I can say this from experience that we can lose an upward of 50% plants during transplantation. So follow all the steps religiously. Step 12. Pots are all settled. 10 saplings have successfully been repotted. They look great after 2 hours. First 2 hours after transplantation would give you a fair idea how good or bad your job was. Step 13. 3 months update. Here you would realize that the seeds started in soil are busy building on their roots, and seeds started in water are busy getting more leaves. And after a few months, everything will balance out and they would show similar growth patterns. This is what I call nature's magic. All living things simply would alter their growing patterns to suit their survival. We all know now what are the benefits of this tree. Let us understand what are you getting into when you plan to start this tree. Java plum is known as Syzygium cumini, commonly known as Malabar plum, Java plum, black plum, or Jamun. Is an evergreen tropical tree. A rapidly growing plant, it can reach heights of up to 30 meters and can live for more than 100 years. However, I've been raising this tree in my balcony for years now. You can do that too without getting worried about space constraint. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be back soon with another video. Until then, please stay safe, stay healthy, and grow plants whenever you get time, because that's the best thing we can do as human race. Thank you again. Take care. Goodbye.